So, after last week doing one-to-ones and spending 6 hours on the phone, clearly I can't do that every week. So what I've done is I've created a group chat on Microsoft Teams, and I just want to show you how it works because I've set one up for both of you, so you can use it if you want. So obviously, go to Microsoft Office, this tab where you normally go to your OneDrive, but just click on Teams, and when that loads up, it'll load up all the teams that you're in. Now I'm in quite a few. Um, but what you should be now is you should have this one, which is fitness testing. So if you click on fitness testing, it takes us to all of the first years. And this is the first years that are all on the one that I created for my fitness testing lesson. But what I've done is I've added some channels down the left hand side. So I've put one for every group here. So basically what that is that's a group chat with just your tutor group able to access it, and obviously yourself. So what I've done is I've put an announcement on Canvas for my groups and said basically my 90 credits on Thursday need to log on to this group chat at 12 o'clock. And then what I'm going to do is I'll go on just by clicking on there, and it'll take me to here, and I'll start a conversation. So what I'll do is I'll just write in here, and I'm not going to do it now because they'll be able to see it, but can everyone just confirm that you're here for the register? So then everyone will say here, 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 and then it'll all flash up here, just like a group message, basically. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write some questions for them to answer. So for example, tell me exactly what work you've done since we spoke on Thursday. So what did you do Monday? What did you do Tuesday? What did you do Wednesday? And whatever their type, like if they just type a little bit, I can go back and say, like, Brad, add more detail, please, blah, blah, blah. And then once it's done, I'll just copy and paste the full comment that they've done and add it to the tracking document. So it saves me having to ring round everyone, and everybody's going to be there within the, like, I've given half an hour slot for each group. So then what I'll do is, like, let's say I do that at 12, and then at half 12, I just click onto my subdic group, and I'll do exactly the same thing, same questions, type in here, just have a bit of a chat on, and then copy and paste their responses. I think, like, for me, it's going to save me loads of time, and anyone that doesn't engage in this, I'll try again to ring them. But everybody should engage in this. Let me know what you think. It is dead easy to use. I've already set it all up for you, so you just need to click on there. Bex, I'll do a second year group for you as well on the conversions. I'll do that now, and then you're both set up. So that'll be all the level 3s. And if Stu or Gaz need any help, I can do it for them as well.